Okay, so hi everybody. This is Mrs. Dupay. I know Mrs. Rayfield just did a lesson on converting a standard form to scientific notation. So now I'm going to do the video showing you how to use your calculator to do that step. Okay, we're going to be using the second button, also the PRB, which is the SCI/ENG. We're going to be using our arrows here, as well as, clear and enter, in addition to this grouping up here. Okay, so let's use the first number, 2,700,000. And that number is a very large number. It's in standard form. And now we're going to use the calculator to do that conversion that Mrs. Rayfield showed you in lesson 4. We're going to hit second button, and then that's that arrow right here. It tells you you're on second. And then the PRB. Normally we are on flow, puts the decimal wherever it needs to be. We're going to use our right arrow and move over to SCI for scientific notation. When I hit enter, it goes back to the number, hit it again down here on the enter button, and here it gives you the number in scientific notation. 2.7 is that number that needs to be the coefficient that needs to be between 1 and 10, times, it's very tiny, I don't know if you can see it, you can see it on your own calculator, 10 is our base, to the 6th power. Now the calculator shows 06 because it leaves room for a 2-digit exponent. We only need the 1, so you don't write the 06. That's not how we write a single-digit number. All right, so 2.7 times 10 to the 6th power should be the same as what you have in the lesson with Mrs. Rayfield. Let's do the one that was the very small number now. So it's clearer. Now remember, we're still in scientific notation. I'm going to work right in scientific notation. It shows it right here. We don't have to put it back each time. So now if we go point with 4 zeros and then 3, 5. We're already in scientific notation, so now I can just hit the enter button and it will give me the number that I have that will be the scientific notation form. 3.5, that's the coefficient number that is between 1 and 10, times 10, 10 being that base that we always use, to the negative 0.5. So we would just write a negative 5. Because this is a very small value number, 0.000, way less than 1, we're going to have this negative exponent, just like when Mrs. Rayfield did the lesson on converting the very small standard form numbers to scientific notation. Now to put your calculator back to standard form, you would hit either, you could clear your memory, or you can hit the second, that SCI, the PRB button, SCI-ENG, and then just use your left arrow button and put it back to flow. When you do that, we have it back in standard form. And now your calculator is ready to use for any computations that you need.